Yeah. Good job.
Okay. Hello, this is the second presentation, and the topic is my favorite book. Today is 17th of February. Yes, teacher, next. In the beginning, I felt so confused because I couldn't choose one of these books. So, because it's all great books and have a different vocabulary, that's make me confused to try one of them. Next. However, I choose one of them in the end, and I hope you enjoy the book. The name of the book is Titanic. It's an academic book for beginner readers. It's from Oxford Bookworms. It's not the real book, but it's the true story by Tim Vickery. And yeah, look at the cover. Look at the cover of the book. As you can see, it's at the yellow line. It's for level 1. So accordingly, you can read it easily. Yes, teacher, next. So please listen carefully because at the end there is activities and I want you to answer. Yes.
To the start, Sarah?
No. In the show.
Here.
Yeah. Okay. I will read and please you listen carefully, okay? It was 1 September 1885, under a ship in North Atlantic. A camera moved through the dark water. The camera went down 3,000 meters under the sea. On the ship, some sailors waited and watched. Okay, look at the word has an underline. Sailors, it means a person who works on a ship. Okay. So some sailors waited and watched. Nobody spoke. Then suddenly they saw something. Yes, it's the Titanic. So sailors were all very happy. They took a lot of photographs. Later there was a film about the ship. People all over the world watched the film and saw the photographs in newspaper. But who built the Titanic? What happened to it? Why did it break in two halves and sink to the bottom of the sea? Sink, it's mean, guys, to go down under the water. Okay, to go down underwater. To the bottom of the sea. Bottom, it's mean the lowest part of something. And in this sentence, it means the lowest part of the sea. And what about the people on the ship? The biggest ship in the world. More than 15,000 people built the Titanic. They began building it in 1909 and finished it in 1912. The Titanic was the biggest ship in the world. It had 3 big engines. Okay, engines, it's mean a machine that makes things move. Okay, they had 3. It had 3 big engines. Certainly, it was one of the fastest ships in the world too. The Titanic was very safe. It has 16 compartments. Compartments mean a separate part of a room or a building. Okay, like a large box. A separate part يعني جزء منفصل من الغرفة أو المبنى. And 15 emergency door. Emergency, it means a sudden dangerous situation. when people need help quickly. Okay, 16 compartment and 50 emergency door. When the captain closed the emergency door, water could not move from one compartment to the next one. Captain here, it means a person who is in charge of a ship. مسؤول عن السفينة, charge on a ship. The Titanic was very beautiful ship. The rooms of the first class passengers were like rooms in a very expensive hotel. Passenger, it's me, a person who is traveling, okay, traveling on a ship, not working on it, like passengers on a ship or on a train, on an airport, like this. We're like rooms in a very expensive hotel. And the room of the second class passengers were beautiful too. They were better than the first class passengers, the first class rooms in most ships. But most of the passengers had third class tickets, okay? These people were not rich. They were working people from many countries. Look at the picture, the third class passengers waiting the Titanic. Okay, third class passengers had a small room. Look at the picture, as you can see. This room called cabins. There were 4 beds in